My old playground. Recess was my favorite time because I liked doing stuff with my friends. Playing tag, playing soccer, and of course, swinging. Leo and Travis like doing stuff too, but they've got a problem.
Hey, let me have a turn.
No, I got here first so I can use it as long as I want.
But you're not even swinging, you're just twisting around.
So what? You can't tell me what to do. I just want to twist around. I don't have to swing.
But that's not fair. You have to give me a turn too.
No, I don't. Hey, let go.
Okay, this isn't going well. Hey, guys, what's going on?